Hey guys, Andrew here, and this is working in the second set of our three-part series here on our answers from our practice problems. In the first set, I gave you a decimal value and I wanted you to convert it to binary. Now you have a binary value and I want you to bring that up to decimal. So our first binary value here, I left our number line intact here. And we're going to continue to use that just as we did before with our 8 bits of value here, right? Our most significant bit to our least significant bit. All right, so 8 bits here, and we are just going to take this guy and subplant it right in this chart. All right, so again, as I have before, just build out this, this chart and continue to work through it, and it'll really help you work through the problems. Eventually, you'll get to the point where you just start working through and memorizing all of these, but at this point in the game, I just want you to build out the chart and methodically work through the problem. All right. So we're going to say 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and then we can take, so the next step here is we have our binary value, and we have it lined up with each of our bit positions in our chart here, and we are going to say 120. We're going to take our decimal value, and we're going to multiply it by each of the positional values and add each of those positional values together, and we'll eventually get our final number, all right, for our decimal value. Okay, so I'm going to kind of go over here because I tend to write a little large, and so we're going to start over here. We're going to say 128 times 1, right, plus 64 times 1, plus 32 times 1, right, parentheses. And again, you want to do this multiplication first in each of these before you go on to the addition, so that's what the parentheses are for. Plus 16 times 1 plus 8 times 0, almost got myself with a 1 there, 8 times 0 plus 4 times 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 1 times 0, right? I got that correct. 128, 64, 32, 16, 0 on 8, 1 on 4, 0 on 2, and then, oops, that's a 1. Okay, my bad. All right. So if we compute this all out, we get 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 for this position, right? Plus 4 plus 0 for that one plus 1. So we've put this all together. 128 plus 64 is 192, 192, 224, 240. We skip over 244, 245. Okay. So pat yourself on the back. If your decimal equivalent was 245 for our binary value of 111101, you got the right answer. Okay. So let's take it on to the second option here, the second problem. Let's take a look at that one. All right, so here we go again. We're going to take this binary number, so 1001 and 1111. Once again, I'm going to skip all the parentheses this time, and I'm just going to do it in my head. So 128 plus 1 is 128. Plus 64 is a 0, so we can just kind of skip that. Skip this one too, that's another 0. Plus 16, plus 8, plus 4, plus 2, plus 1. And if we add this all up, 159. All right, so quick and easy, right? You can really start to pick up the pace, okay? So, you guys seen a few examples. Feel free to go out there and try a few more of your own. You have additional examples at your disposal as well. So I'll catch you guys next time. In the next video, we're going to take a look at those hex conversions. See you then.